If you're an athlete or just someone who's trying to remain active, injuries are just a common fear that we all have. Well, here are 5 things that you can do to help mitigate your risk for injury, but also improve your overall recovery if you're coming back from an injury. Number 1 is proper sleep. You need to make sure that you are getting proper sleep, and most importantly, that you're getting good deep sleep. What is called REM sleep, rapid eye movement, that's where your body heals. That is the most important part of your sleep cycle, is getting into good REM sleep. Making sure that you get good solid sleep is super important because that's where your tissues are healing. So making sure that you get good sleep is going to help you mitigate your risk for injury. Number 2 is proper nutrition. Our bodies are simply a walking chemical reaction. If you're not putting in the proper things to support those chemical reactions, then your body's not going to heal. It's going to take longer to heal. If you're dehydrated, you're going to take longer to heal. If you don't have enough protein, you're going to take longer to heal. If you don't have essential amino acids, you're going to take longer to heal. So making sure that you have a good, solid nutritional program that supports that body chemistry is going to be super important for your overall mitigating your risk for injury. Number 3 is recovery. This is one area that a lot of athletes tend to ignore. The importance of recovery is going to help you recover between not only your training sessions, but also competition, games, etc. With the advancements in sports science and technology, there's a lot of different things that we can do for recovery. Cold plunge tanks, red light therapy, compression sleeves, all of those things are going to do nothing but help to improve your overall recovery. There's a lot of really good science out there about the importance of recovery. As a matter of fact, if you go to any pro team or college team, you would see that they have recovery rooms where all of those athletes go in after practices and after games to help to maximize their recovery. Some studies show that as little as 30 minutes in a Normatec compression system is the equivalent of a 12-hour rest cycle. That is how science and technology can help optimize your recovery. Number 4 is weight training. Weight training is absolutely essential to help you maximize not only your performance, but also mitigate your risk. The cool thing about weight training is not only is it going to absolutely improve your athletic performance, but it's also going to improve your biomechanics. It's going to help to reduce the stress to your meniscus. It's going to help to reduce the stress to your ACL, to your shoulder, to your low back, etc. A good weight training program is not only going to help you enhance your overall performance, but it's also going to mitigate the risk for injuries in your sport. Injuries in baseball are very different than the injuries in football, so having a program that is designed specific for your sport is super important. Number 5 is early detection of injuries. Most athletes, when they start having that nagging shoulder pain, that nagging back pain, that nagging knee pain, they tend to want to work through it. Identifying those things early on means that you're going to recover much, much faster. Identifying those things early on means that you're going to get that tear before it becomes a rupture. So identifying injuries early on and treating those injuries, whether it's the use of ice, whether it's the use of rest, whether it's the use of an anti-inflammatory, or seeing a healthcare professional who understands your sport, is going to be absolutely critical. The earlier you detect an injury, the better off you're going to be. So if you want a program that's going to be comprehensive to help you mitigate your risk for injury and improve your athletic performance, contact us at the Athlete Lab for the Warrior Program. The Warrior Program is a comprehensive approach to injury prevention and performance enhancement. In the Warrior Program, we talk about a lot of different things. That includes nutrition, it includes hydration, blood flow restriction training. We also go through eccentric and concentric exercises and kinds of exercises that you should include as a part of your training to help mitigate your risk for some of the most common injuries that we see. We also even have a protocol in there for return to sport and how to determine whether or not you should be using ice or seeing a healthcare professional. So for more information, check out our links below, and hopefully you come see us at the Athlete Lab.